Hello, and welcome to Screencasts Online. I'm Darcy, and today we're covering features of the recently released watchOS 11. By historical standards, I'd consider this a minor software update for the Apple Watch. Where Apple Intelligence has been the focal point for iOS, iPadOS, and macOS this year, the watch simply doesn't have the hardware capabilities to enable such features. What we're left with is an array of smaller improvements to established apps like fitness and widgets, and a couple of new additions with translation and tides. So hang around, and we'll cover them one by one. First up is a couple of great additions to the Activity app. It's here where you'll find the activity rings for active calories burnt, exercise, and stand per day. Historically, these goals have been locked in place, but now you can actually change them according to a schedule. Tap anywhere on the rings to reveal a menu, then tap Change Goals. Now this is where I'd go if I wanted to change any of the goals in general, just by hitting the minus or plus buttons. But now there's a calendar icon in the top right, and if I select that, I can change the goal type. Switch from daily to schedule, and you can set a specific calorie goal depending on the day. So if Sunday happens to be my day off, I might lower the goal for that particular day so I can relax a little bit more. Tap Set Schedule to save the changes. And then we can do the same for exercise. They're all set to daily at the start. You have to change each of them to a schedule if that's what you want to do. I'll set this schedule, and I'll keep the stand goal the same. I'll tap on the rings to show that menu again. This time select Pause Rings. Now you can actually deactivate your activity goals for a set period of time. For today or for a week, I'll choose Custom. As I scroll through the number of days I want to take a break from my activity rings, it lets you know beneath which day you'll be resuming on. I think this is great for if you're on holiday still wanting to use your Apple Watch, but not so concerned about hitting goals. You can start again by tapping the rings and selecting Resume Rings.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.